Hodgson, and today I've got a new tutorial for the ukulele and a really great song to learn and sing along with your family at home. It's called Don't Worry by Bob Marley. It only needs 3 chords. You need C, F and G. And as always, if you're not sure how to make those chords, there's a link in the box below to show you how to do that. It starts on C. Here goes. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. The melody's pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. The melody's pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. As always, there's activities in the box below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you know when new videos have been uploaded. I hope you're having fun at home, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!